Good Thursday, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith on this Thursday, the last Thursday of the month of July, the 28th already. Where is this summer going? 2016. And we've got some difficult forecasting to do over the next couple of days, particularly over the next 24 to 36 hours. And we'll get into all of that in just a moment. And I do believe we're on day 8 or 9, where temperatures have exceeded 90 degrees across the forecast region, making this one incredible heat wave for the northern mid-Atlantic. Latest observations this morning, we have generally sunny skies across the north and south and central portions of the region this morning. However, clouds are increasing from the debris of showers and thunderstorms over the Ohio and Tennessee River Valley area. And this will be drifting in our region during the afternoon, so cumulus clouds will be on the increase. It's going to be another hot and humid day, maybe day 8 or 9 already of this heat wave across the northern mid-Atlantic. The good news is that temperatures will be cooling off back into the 80s over the weekend, but that also comes at a price to pay, and we'll get into that in just a moment. We do have a considerable amount of fog out on central and eastern Long Island, interior central and southeastern, central and southeastern New Jersey, and including the Susquehanna River Valley here in southeastern Pennsylvania this morning. One thing to note is the dew points. They're in the low 60s here in northern New Jersey, and they're already climbing up to above 70 in the New Jersey urban areas like Newark and New York City, and they're in the low to the mid-70s as you head through central and southern New Jersey, and in the mid-70s as you head even further south into the Delmarva area. This is some tropical air that will be feeding into the rainfall that will be increasing across the forecast region this afternoon, later this afternoon and evening, primarily during overnight tonight, and tomorrow is going to be a stormy day. And the Storm Prediction Center has placed central southern New Jersey, southeastern Pennsylvania, most of all of the Delmarva in a moderate to slight risk for severe thunderstorms, with the high precipitable water values increasing beyond 2.5 inches in liquid form. This could lead to some very heavy downpours across these regions where the showers and thunderstorms develop and then train over the same locations during later this afternoon, tonight, and during tomorrow. Storm Prediction Center has placed a large portion of New York City just through central and southern New Jersey and all of the Delmarva tomorrow in a marginal risk for severe thunderstorms, and these thunderstorms would be capable of very heavy rain, damaging winds, and flash flooding. Surf zone forecast for New Jersey, Delaware, New York, and Long Island beaches for today on Thursday, July 28th. Mostly sunny skies to start across the area. Temperatures will be in the upper 80s, light and variable winds onshore this afternoon at about 10. Surf around 2 feet. Water temperatures in the mid-70s, around 75. UVI index high. And there is a low risk of rip currents for today. There is also a low threat of lightning in the area for today. But you do want to be mindful and never swim alone. Always swim in lifeguarded areas. Right now, the high tide cycles begin in all locations after 3 this afternoon. Of course, the pollen continues on the medium side today. It will be quite low tomorrow due to the rain and thunderstorms. Quickly goes back up to the medium to high side again on Saturday, where a mostly dry atmosphere will be in place across our region. I say most areas. Sunday, there's another chance of showers and thunderstorms, and that could even include parts of Monday too. So the pollen dispersal will be a little lower in those areas at times of showers and thunderstorms. Tropical weather outlook right now from the National Hurricane Center in Miami, Florida. This morning we do have now a trough or wave accompanied by a low pressure trough system in producing a large area of cloudiness and disorganized shower and thunderstorm activity several hundred miles southeast of Cabo Verde Islands here. Some development of the system possible during the next few days while it moves west northwest at about 15 miles per hour. This environment conditions are expected to become less conducive for development early next week when the system is over the central tropical Atlantic. Still some strong Saharan dry dust here in the atmosphere west of this wave, and that will preclude the chances of this becoming something, but we'll monitor it now. Formation chances over the next 48 hours is about 30%, and over the next 5 days about 40%. We'll be keeping an eye on this. And on the aviational weather deck today, outside of VFR conditions, we have some areas where there is fog and there is MVFR and IFR conditions, and those visibility restrictions will exist through the morning hours. Otherwise, mainly VFR expected for today. There will be some scattered showers and thunderstorms forecasted to develop during the afternoon, especially in areas west and south of Philadelphia. And we have not included their mention in any of the TAF sites due to the uncertainty regarding their coverage and timing at this point. This is going to be a difficult forecast going forward here. Deteriorating conditions are anticipated for tonight as showers and thunderstorms become more numerous across the entire region. The rain is expected to become heavy at times. The light and variable winds this morning may settle into the southwest and south for the afternoon. and then a southerly direction this evening before going back to the southeast late tonight. Friday through Sunday, there will be showers and thunderstorms with lower ceilings and visibilities at times. Otherwise, outside of that, there will be VFR conditions, moderate confidence of that. Monday right now looks mainly VFR, moderate confidence of that, but stormy day ahead on Friday. Right now it's already 81, didn't go back much below 79 or 78 at Newark this morning for low temperature this morning. 81 right now, dew point SUPI 72, humidity 74%. Showers and thunderstorms entering the fray late this afternoon and during tonight, especially on Friday. Not going to be a pleasant day here either. Philadelphia right now is also 81, dew point 70, humidity 70%. A few clouds around, scattered at 10,000. The wind is out of the northeast at about 3. And we'll have some showers and thunderstorms once again coming down heavy late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Morning pass visible satellite imagery this morning shows just some cirrus clouds across our forecast region, but notice all the cloud cover and the convection here across the Ohio and Tennessee River Valley. That will be moving in our direction with the debris of these clouds spreading over the forecast region during this afternoon. And the showers and thunderstorms, which are already developing along this warm tropical air mass in place across Kentucky here and western Virginia, also portions of the Ohio River Valley area. This will be heading in our direction over the next 24 hours. Central New Jersey, southern New Jersey, southeastern Pennsylvania, the Delmarva here is in a flash flood watch, which remains in effect through Friday evening. And there will be periods of showers and thunderstorms expected. Some of these thunderstorms contain torrential rainfall and will result in localized flash flooding. Again, the location of where the heavier showers and thunderstorms will populate is still uncertain at this time. And this also may be expanded further north on Friday if the showers and thunderstorms repeat and also develop heavier clusters across northeastern New Jersey and northern Poconos region as well, and we'll be monitoring that because some of the model guidance, especially the mesoscale guidance, is suggesting that will be the case. There's also a dense fog advisory in effect until Friday evening as well, and that's for the South Shore and east ends of Long Island and the North Shore of southern Connecticut and as well. Forecasted charts from the Weather Prediction Center this morning shows our nearly stationary front just to our south here. Another cold front developing and moving into the Great Lakes and western New York this morning. All of this will converge across the forecast region with showers and thunderstorms developing across the region late this afternoon and evening, and particularly becoming heavy at times in any of these locations from central southern New Jersey, even northeastern Pennsylvania, New Jersey by tomorrow morning. This could lead to some very heavy downpours, some flash flooding, and of course dangerous lightning in any of those showers and thunderstorms. We're already seeing a cluster of thunderstorms with strong lightning strikes evident across the Ohio and Tennessee River Valley area this morning. Now, what complicates the forecast is on Friday morning. This area of low pressure will be moving along the warm front, which will be bisecting the southern regions here of the northern mid-Atlantic, and a cold front approaching on the northwestern doorstep here. This will lead to overrunning and very heavy tropical rainfall, thunderstorms, and showers across the forecast region. That wave will then move off the coast on Friday evening with a cold front slipping south of the region on Friday night and temporarily drying us off on Saturday before the front stalls and another wave of low pressure begins to move in. These are the latest charts, and that wave could produce additional showers and thunderstorms across the region on Sunday before it moves off the coast, and it looks like drier conditions with high pressure settling in for the early part of next week. High-resolution rapid refresh model plays it this way with an increase of the cloud cover and the shower and thunderstorm activity breaking out to our south and west during the afternoon. Most areas to the north of that will remain dry, but everything is off for tonight and tomorrow morning as the showers and thunderstorms move into Pennsylvania and New Jersey, and there could be some very heavy downpours at that. And then another round of showers and thunderstorms will be moving in to the region on Friday morning, especially during the morning commute, which will make it very difficult. And even on Friday afternoon, showers and thunderstorms will once again be moving into the region. We can notice this on the NAM model. Heavy showers and thunderstorms across the Poconos into northeastern New Jersey, and that will spread into the city and Long Island, southeastern Connecticut, the lower Hudson Valley area. It could be very heavy rainfall tomorrow morning, so it's not going to be pretty out there. And these thunderstorms will be drenching when they do come. The wave then moves off the coast on Friday evening, and we're left with additional shower and scattered thunderstorm activity into early Saturday, but most areas will remain dry at this time. Saturday night, another wave of low pressure develops on the front and produces showers and thunderstorms once again over the forecast region Saturday night, early Sunday morning. And it looks like those showers and thunderstorms could persist through a good portion of Sunday morning before they move out to sea once again. Temperature forecast for today, probably going to be the last day that we're going to get into the 90s around here, and that's good because we need a break from this heat and humidity. Unfortunately, that won't be broken without some heavy showers and thunderstorms, as we mentioned. Temperatures on Friday with the rain back into the 80s. Saturday looks like we're going to be back into the mid and upper 80s again. Sunday temperatures in the mid and upper 80s, perhaps even some upper 70s across the hillier sections of northwestern New Jersey, probably closer to 80 degrees. Temperatures, again, either side of the low and mid 80s on Monday and Tuesday as well. Now, as far as precipitation totals, we could be dealing with 1, 2, even locally 3 inches. This could be overdone or underdone depending on how the showers and thunderstorms develop and which areas they train over the same locations through Saturday night. And of course, we'll be monitoring everything live as we always do on Twitter, Facebook, and Google Plus, and Facebook as well, as I mentioned. For everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google Plus. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Be safe out there. We'll see you bright and early on Friday morning.